Are you someone who is concerned about your future career, or whatever career you are in right now? What is going to be the future? Or unfortunately, you are doubtful that whatever career you are right now you are into, is it going to remain in the future or it is not going to remain in the future? Hi, I am Vipul and I am a future career strategist, and right now I am going to share how you can identify what kind of careers are coming in the future and how you can position yourself if it is about relearning or if it is about some particular cause we are driven with, or you want a second alternate source of earning and also combined with a cause. So in this particular video I'm trying to analyze and show step by step how to go about figuring out a particular career. So please have a look. So future career opportunities. The first principle which I want to discuss here is money is a value exchange. So we all know previously there used to be exchange of two valuable things whenever somebody needed something, which later got transformed with the help of money. तो हम जब भी कोई वस्तु किसी से लेते हैं या कोई सर्विस किसी से लेते हैं या कोई प्रोडक्ट किसी से लेते हैं तो उसके लिए हम पैसे देते हैं. सो मनी इज़ अ वैल्यू एक्सचेंज. So now what we have to do is जनरली हमने जो स्कूल के समय से अपना करियर बनाने के प्रति जिस तरह से हम आगे बढ़े उसमें हमेशा ये थॉट प्रोसेस में जनरली आया है थ्रू स्कूल्स और थ्रू आवर एनवायरनमेंट कि किस चीज़ में स्कोप है. हमने कभी इस पर्सपेक्टिव से नहीं देखा होगा, जनरली हमने नहीं देखा है कि क्या हम किस चीज़ में हम वैल्यू ऐड कर रहे हैं. सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वैल्यू एडिशन देयर इज़ ऑलवेज समथिंग विच वी आर ड्रिवन बाय, some kind of cause we are driven by. So now please think once again. To change this perspective, I would like to discuss about this change of perspective. Who is having money? It's people. Whenever we say company, it's ultimately the money is with the people. पैसा लोगों के पास होता है और लोग पैसा आपको क्यों देंगे? चाहे आप एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हो या आप एक एम्प्लॉय हो, आपको पैसा दिया जाता है जब आप कुछ छोटी या बड़ी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते. यस. सो दिस इज हाउ वी नीड टू चेंज अवर पर्सपेक्टिव दैट मनी इज अ वैल्यू एक्सचेंज, एंड व्हेन वी सॉल्व small or large problem for people as an entrepreneur or as an employee, at that time we get paid money. That is, we earn money at that time. So this identification of the problem, a particular problem which we can solve in that's how this new direction, new perspective, नया दृष्टिकोण है ये कि किस तरह से हम करियर आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. तो इसी पे डिस्कस करते हुए मैं आपसे एक आर्टिकल डिस्कस करूंगा जिसके बाद हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप देखेंगे कि उस आर्टिकल की मदद से हम कैसे खोज सकते हैं कि किस तरह का करियर फ्यूचर में आने वाला है. सो प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफिकेशन. दिस इज़ द रिसेंट आर्टिकल जो कि दैनिक भास्कर में आया था, एंड द पर्सन मिस्टर अजय माथुर इज़ डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स क्लाइमेट चेंज काउंसिल. तो जो हमारे आदरणीय प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी हैं उनका जो काउंसिल है उसमें ये डायरेक्टर है. तो इनके इस पूरे आर्टिकल में मैं जो शेयर करना चाहता हूँ वो ये है कि आप ये देखिए ये वाला पोर्शन जो आर्टिकल में इन्होंने लिखा है. इसमें आप नीचे की तरफ आएंगे तो आप रीड करिए. इससे लॉकडाउन से पहले के सामान्य दिनों की तुलना में कम प्रदूषण होगा. इंडस्ट्रियल क्षेत्र में ईंधन के साधन बदलने पड़ेंगे. पेट्रोल डीजल की गाड़ियों के प्रयोग को छोड़ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गाड़ियों का प्रयोग करना पड़ेगा. यह स्पष्ट हो गया है कि नदियों में प्रदूषण औद्योगिक कारखानों के कारण है. वेस्ट वाटर का ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट अंदर ही होना चाहिए. So could you identify something here? What I identified when I am seeing as a future career strategist, I identified the two kinds of directions which now our country will be focused on. One is about the electrical vehicles, so that the pollution or whatever problems we are having in the environment by consuming petrol and diesels, that can be mitigated. So one is the direction of electrical, anything in the direction of electrical. Here what I am going to discuss in today's session is about, this short video clip is about, यह स्पष्ट हो गया है कि नदियों में प्रदूषण औद्योगिक कारखानों के कारण है. वेस्ट वाटर का ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट अंदर ही होना चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ अ कम्प्लीटली न्यू डोमेन और डायरेक्शन which was not existing previously at very large scale is now existing. अभी जिस तरह से हमने देखा कि नदियों की जो हमने इमेजेस देखी हैं कि वो काफ़ी साफ़ हो गई हैं, उससे काफ़ी कुछ क्लियर हो गया है कि इंडस्ट्रीज़ के अंदर का जो वेस्ट है वो बिना ट्रीट किए हुए इंडस्ट्री में जाता था, जो नदियों में छोड़ दिया जाता था. उन वेस्ट को ट्रीट करने के प्रति डायरेक्शन जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक थिंग, इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट. आप एक स्टेप और पीछे आएंगे तो आप ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट. Yes, my friends, this is what I concluded from this. One was electrical, then another सब पॉइंट वॉज द इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट, जो कि हम अंदर ही ट्रीट करें, और उसके आप और बाहर आएंगे तो एक वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट की बात करें कि वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट एज अ करियर किस तरह से आगे जा रहा है. तो उस पर मैं आपसे यहाँ पर एक आती हुई अपॉर्चुनिटी डिस्कस करना चाहूँगा कैसे बन रही है फ्यूचर में. गूगल में जाइए, स्टार्टअप्स इन वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट इन इंडिया आप टाइप करिए. जब आप ये टाइप करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आ रहे हैं. मैंने इन ऑप्शंस को पढ़ा, इनके गो थ्रू किया, बिकॉज इट्स पार्ट ऑफ माई वर्किंग. So one of them I identified out of it, and that was this. This is a company known as Sahas Zero Waste. Each year, India generates 63 million tons of waste. By 2050, global waste levels will reach 3.4 billion tons. So waste management काफ़ी बढ़ता हुआ एक डोमेन है जिसमें फ्यूचर के करियर्स की काफ़ी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं. बट वो किस तरह से, उसके लिए हमें जानना पड़ेगा कि ऑलरेडी जो स्टार्टअप्स काम कर रहे हैं, स्टार्टअप्स इसलिए कहूँगा मैं कि ये कुछ सालों पहले चालू हुई कंपनियाँ हैं, तो हमें किस तरह से ऑब्जर्व करना है कि इसमें क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी बनने वाली है, हम क्या रोल प्ले कर सकते हैं. सो नाउ पीपल दोज हु आर ड्रिवन बाय अ कॉज. Exactly, the people who are driven by a cause, this is a very good industry to be in, because it will always give satisfaction that I am contributing, I am making some kind of contribution towards the environment. And the important thing is कि in this particular case, a little bit I studied about the Sahas Zero Waste. So they have now become a profitable organization. It is not just some kind of NGO, right? We can work in NGO, that is not a problem. But if we are thinking from the perspective of making a living out of our profession also, which is a very important thing, life should be balanced. There should be a way by which whatever we are passionate about doing should also start giving us a proper financial stability. So this organization, why I'm talking about this particular organization as I identified about the opportunity is, uh, I'll just express what we do. Yes, we provide end-to-end waste management services based on the principles of circular economy. We handle waste sustainably and responsibly for MNCs, tech parks. So this particular startup, which got started some 20 years back, for 10 to 13 years, it was as an NGO it was working, and since last 7 years it has become for profit, a business organization, because unless you start generating your revenue, or you are not or you are receiving donation from outside, it is not possible. Money is the blood by which all the institutions, whether spiritual organizations or the business organization, which runs. So in last 7 years, this got converted into a business, for profit business. So what they do is they collect wastage from different communities, for residential communities, from tech parks, from MNCs, and that is what they are treating, number one. And they have also started to recycle and make useful products out of it, right? And now I would like to, once you, so waste management, you come across a particular company which is doing good in the previously from last 5 to 10 years, which are continuously progressing. This is what we have to identify next. If you will go to top, there are careers. If you'll click on the careers, you can see right now they have two opportunities at Bangalore. One is about sales and business development manager, and another is about lead business development. These were posted just a couple of months back, right? So now we need to start a little bit more going into deep about the company. So here you can see how the company has been performing. So here you can see in the last year the company has increased its revenue by 50%. This is very important. Yes, we are driven by a cause, but when we are talking about making a career, we must be clear that it's a startup, and at this point of time, is this startup continuously growing? Which it is. It has increased its revenue by 50%. You can see what the CEO and the founder of the company is saying. We are excited to now scale our business and thereby demonstrate how we can solve the waste problem through resource recovery and recycling. This model will also create a plethora of jobs at the base of the pyramid, as well as provide satisfying careers for professionals looking to make a difference in the environment sector. So they have started receiving a lot of investment from outside. They have also started increasing, their revenue has also started increasing, and the company is now within profit, and they are also looking for people who are ready to work with them. So couple of years, if you get into it, you're driven by a cause, and once you start, here I would like to discuss this another point here. This is financial viability we have checked. Now growing and future proof. The most important thing for this is not the otherwise. The previous, our education system right now and the schooling system is like we develop a particular skill and then we go and look for the job. Here we are identifying the opportunity which is already existing in the market, which is going to continuously increasing and from which I can have a financially viable career. Now based on that, we can do reverse engineering also. Yes, because we are driven by a cause. If we and the founder is driven by a cause, we can make a direct contact with the founder, which is very much possible, and we can start reverse engineering and learning what exactly can we learn based on our interest, which will be utilized in the company. Yes, this is very much possible. Otherwise, we can observe so many BBAs, MBAs, so many students and people are existing right now who have done different kind of degrees, but they do not know where to go and apply these degrees because more or less those are theoretical, and we end up either being jobless or getting a kind of job which is either we don't get driven by it or the salary is very low. So this is how for the future when we are building our careers, people have money, people pay money when their problem is solved, whether the problem is big or little. That's what the entrepreneurs and employees are doing. So we need to find out the problem and the with which we are driven towards. And based on that, we start relearning and re-educating ourselves, which is not a big thing. It can be done because once we are driven by a cause, the learning is very easy. We are on the field working with it. We can join as an intern and we can just work for some time for free. There is no problem because once we start getting the experience and we become valuable, remember, money is the exchange of value. When we become valuable, we contribute the value, we start receiving the money. And how the career opportunity is there, that is one of the aspects I've discussed. And what we can do next is we can go yeah, so these are the right now what is the situation, and the company is continuously growing. You can read more about it in the your story, and then you can go on the LinkedIn. You can see the profile of the founder and CEO. You can connect with the profile directly. You can message them. If you are driven, you can just heartily express your desire, whatever your current qualification is. You can heartily express your desire that you want to work in this particular cause and you also want to make a good career. Any good organization is concerned about individuals development also along with the organization, and it is very important for us to figure out whether the organization is concerned about us or not, which in this case, because the person is working with a very good noble cause and have now also developed a business model, definitely, and there is possibility of connecting, we should try to connect. And next step is we can identify what exactly this company is doing. So I'll give you one particular hint is here, if you can see, not this one, this one. So this is big scope building blocks. There is an interview about, of the founder, Mrs. Vilma Rodriguez, and she's explaining completely. So the basic concept is just like we are calling the individuals at our home for house help. Somebody is cleaning, somebody is brooming, somebody is mopping. If somebody manages our waste, why can't we pay? And her study found out that an employee who is working in an organization only needs to pay 400 rupees for whatever kind of wastage they are creating for one particular year. Such low is the cost of the wastage. So this is how the opportunities in the future about our career has to be found out. This identify the problem, identify what kind of problem we are driven with, identify the organizations which are working on those problems, solving that problem, how we can connect, and what is the scope for our growth, what are the opportunities right now, or what skill can we develop so that we can get associated. So yeah, as a future career strategist, this is one of the examples of how we can identify career, and gradually I'll share more. Thank you friends. So whatever is your opinion, do express, and if you want to know further information about this particular aspect, you are driven by an environmental cause, then you can privately message me or you can message here under the video whatever is your query. Thank you. Bye bye.